Hello, we are Group 3 from CP3402, and today we will be presenting our workflow for our assignment 2. My name is Heintago, and I will be sharing with you more on the platform we use for our development. For our content management platform, we decided to use WordPress. While there are several content management platforms available such as Joomla, we choose WordPress as it is free to use and the most popular among the other platforms. This allows us to utilize many plugins that are available in WordPress. For our hosting site, we decided to use Infinity Free, while there are other hosting sites such as DigitalOcean and HostGator. We ultimately decided to use Infinity Free as it is free of charge, while also providing us with unlimited disk space, bandwidth, and hosting domains. For our version control, have two GitHub repositories. One repository contains a WordPress theme that we work for this assignment, and the other repository contains the base WordPress content that we use for our website. For our communication, we decided to use Discord. The reason we use Discord over other platforms as it allows multiple channels to be formed within the same server. This allows us to separate our work and have separate discussion about certain topics without disrupting other discussions. I will now pass the time to Tetran to explain more about our theme development workflow.
Thank you, Ryan. For our team development, we have three stages of development. Firstly, we have a local host that allows us to develop our theme locally. We use Docker to contain our database and repository. Once we have made changes to the theme, we will push our changes to GitHub. Once the changes are pushed to GitHub, the team members can review the changes. When the changes are approved, it can be pushed to our server, where the change can now be seen in our production site. For an example of how a change in a theme is made, we will show you a live demonstration of that. So as you can see, this our themed development folder, and there's a Docker file where we can create the WordPress site and database. So we just need to type in Docker Compose up in the terminal. And now we can access the local hosts to take a look at the WordPress site. Okay, so for now, for example, we want to change the color of this string. We just need to F12 and take a look at that its class name. So as you can see, this is the site description. We come back to the folder. In the site description, for example, I want to change it to the red, and we come back to the browser and refresh it. Okay, so as you can see, it's changed to the red color. So this is how we can develop our themes locally by Docker.
So for our website content management, we have two stages. Our development and staging is hosted at the same website as the content that we are updating in the progress does not involving any coding, so we decided to do development and staging as the content suggests posts, pages, and form are done and tested in the staging side at the same time. Moreover, having the development on the hosted server allows us to work on the contents together if required. For our staging, we use a plugin in WordPress called Backup Duplicators and Migration. This plugin allows us to create a staging site from our existing website. However, we are unable to immediately push our change to our production site using this plugin, as it is a paid feature. To work around this, we will export our WordPress content into an XML using the built-in export features and import it in our production site. For an example of how a change in the website content is made, we will show you a live of demonstration of it right now.
Thank you, Daniel. My name is James, and today I'll be showing you a live demonstration of our content creation. So as you can see here, we have our production side and staging side of our website. The left side is the production side, whereas the right side is the staging side. So for an example of this demonstration, let's say our client wants to have an awards page added to their website. So to do so, we will do our development in the staging and development staging side first, and then push it to the production side. So I have done the awards page beforehand, as you can see here. And once I'm happy with it, I can publish it and do some testing on the staging side. We will skip the testing phase. So once the page has been approved by the client and the test has been completed, we can then export it using the built-in feature. And I will just export the page here because that's the only thing that I'm changing today. So once it has been exported, then I can go to my production site and then import it using the built-in feature as well. So I can just use this WordPress importer. Then I can just attach this file together and then import it. So I need to do some configuration as well as download and import any file attachment that I have. So once it has been done, I can view the pages here. And as you can see here, the awards page is now live in the production. That is all for our presentation today. Thank you and have a nice day.